Hello everyone, it's me, Avila, back shopping in Korea / Be Me on Air. And as you can see, I've got a handsome young man next to me.
Hi guys, this is Roy. I'm the brand manager of the Papa Recipe.
So today, Papa Recipe, we've got two main lines that we brought today. Let's start with the eggplant line. So the toner pad, how would you describe this one?
I use it every morning and night because even after when I wake up, there's so many dots on my face. Can you see this?
Really disgusting, Roy. Next, after the toner.
Actually, this one is like miniature. This is a micro repair serum. Good for like tightening your skin. Make your skin back to like teenage.
Back to teenage skin. So besides the skincare that we showed you, they do have the cleansing foam and the mud mask. The foam, it says here 5.5 cleansing foam. The 5.5 meaning it's pH balance. 이거 되게
Good.
This one, it's super creamy and soft.
Those like small pieces of micro walnuts that really help to scrub, but never like scratching your face.
I see. So after that, Bobby Honey Pudding Cream. It kind of maintains like memory.
Yeah, it memories its own shape.
It literally feels like a honey. You see? Also this one, the hole is gone. It's so 신기방기. And then right before we sign off, do you want to talk about the cleansing foam? It's a little bit more foamy than that one, right? The eggplant one.
This one is good for those who have the sensitive skin.
Oh my god, you're a sexy skin.
No. But for this one, for those who have like really dehydrated skin, like dry skin type.
되게 촉촉해. So, that was Papa Recipe, man.
This is Papa Recipe.
Yeah. We want to thank you for watching and we'll see y'all in the next one.
Bye bye.